Hey you, it's Jess here and welcome back to my channel. Today we are showing you my February kit lineup. It's kind of random because I haven't been able to get mail in for a while. So I've had to push off a couple of kits like the like my recent winter one, which I thought would be pretty in Feb, but I'm putting that off, and while we don't have snow right now anyway, so I've gone through and I pulled 2 older kits from my collection as well as the 2 Valentines that I drew for this year because they came in time. But for February 3rd to the 9th, we have the September mystery from 2023, which is a diner set. It got reformatted last year, I believe, but I still had the mystery version. It's just a cute diner. I thought, you know, it's really cute. I love the food, and we got pink in there for Feb. And also the blues and greens kind of lead in from winter. Super funky and fun, very bright. But like the week prior is also super bright winter, so I think that will work out. So we just have all these here, and then we have all the extras for the mystery. I thought I would pair this with a fun foil, and I picked this lighter sparkly pink. It just has a warmer tone to it, and it has a chunky sparkle. Let me try and, so you can see there, the chunky sparkle. I thought that'd be really fun. But yeah, I think I had a hot pink as well, so, but it was a bit too cool toned for this pink, so I think this goes well with the light pink in the set. So we got some pink and fun to start off February. Because to be honest, there isn't much more pink in here. So for the week of 10th through the 16th, which is Valentine's Day, I am using my Cherry on Top from Scribble Prints Co. Valentine's Day art. So we just have all of the extras here. And this one's obviously very red with some cream in it. So, but also lots of gold and like warm options. So I decided to pair this with Champagne Lights, which I think will look nice. So this is a bundle from Caress Press called Pixie Dust, because I haven't got much Champagne Lights at the moment in terms of normal bundles, but this is a really pretty newer bundle from Caress Press with the Pixie Dust. I thought that would be, you know, it'd be like the string lights and Bucky and romantic things. To go with that, make it a little bit more magical, and also like kind of goes with that chic feeling of the set. So that is for Valentine's week. And the week after, I'm using my exclusive art for 17th to the 23rd. My exclusive Valentine's Day art for Scribble Prints Co. And this is Pixelated Love, which is like an 80s roller disco arcade Valentine's Day mashup. We got lots of purples, and I actually have some extra foil from Planet Choco coming in for this. She released like a nostalgia theme, which had like the roller skates and stuff and disco balls. So I ordered some of that in sparkly red, like the red glass, so shattered red, to go with this, like because it's all purple with pops of red. And of course, I'm not going to be getting that for a while. I should get it in the mail before this week, but it'll be in the plan with me. But yeah, I do have some red foil to come for this, some header overlays and bottom washi, that kind of thing, to give it a red pop. But I'm going to pair it with the Wisteria purple foil color from SPC. And this is just the confetti. I did have a darker sparkly purple, but again, it was a bit warmer toned instead of cooler toned like the other one. This purple was a bit too warm toned, so I thought this would go better with the shades of purple in the set, but then we also get the pop of red, so I think that'll be really nice and sort of blend all together as a pretty purple set. And then for the final week of February, the 24th through the 2nd of March, I pulled out this sort of surprise one, but this was back when I was buying some odd loop, and I would just buy the bottom washi in the full boxes, and then Andrea very kindly sent me matching stuff to go with it so I could use it functionally the way I like to. And this is her Sailor Moon art. It is so, so pretty. While Sailor Moon screams Valentines to me because it's so romantic and I love Sailor Moon. And then I also have the bottom washi, which is a bit more simple, but we have that here. And then out of my collection, I was able to pull out, this is from Milky Way Cafe from Caress Press. This is a washi strip, which I thought matched well with the set in terms of colors. A little bit warmer, but I think it'll go. Like nothing really goes with the full boxes. They're kind of on their own, so we're pairing off. And then I have, this is actually a whole mix of stuff that Andrea made me. So this is supposed to match a Kirby kit, which I'm not using. So I decided to pull these colors in because I thought they went as well. And we have lots of checklists and stuff, but we also have these colors individually. This is going to be an interesting one to film. And then this one's labeled as Inside Out, but maybe it's for this set, maybe not. But what is this in here? I don't know. Things are kind of all over the place. And then we have these. Maybe this goes with this. And then we have a ton of these colors as well. Labels and things. So I have to figure it out. But I feel like all of these colors kind of go together and we can work it out. It's all kind of in the same family to make this Sailor Moon set good. But it's kind of like if you're using like full boxes and then you're pulling in multicolor boxes for everything else. And I'm pairing this with the foil from Caress Press Celestial in Sparkly Hollow. Hard to see the sparkly hollowness, but in these lights. But I thought, well, it had to be this one because you got all the moons and the celestial and some stars. This is an older bundle, but it will work. So we're gonna make this work. I just realized there's only 9 boxes, whereas I need technically 10. So we'll have to do something else with the sidebar, maybe do a whole checklist. Which is probably why I have all of these in here. So we're gonna have to work this out, or maybe we can make a pattern box out of this one. But anyway, we're gonna work it out. It'll be a fun plan with me. But that is what I'm gonna do for the last week of Feb. Like put all this together. Because I love Sailor Moon. I want to use this set finally, because I do love the full boxes so much. But yeah, that is everything I've got for Feb. It's kind of all over the place and just what I had on hand because, yeah, my Happy Mail's kind of gone to a trickle at the moment, so we'll see. But I hope you enjoyed it. We might be twinning for something, let me know. Probably one of the new ones. But otherwise, I hope you enjoyed this and I hope you have a good February and a good planning month. But otherwise, have a good day and I'll see you next time. Bye bye. I love you. Bye bye.